Alright, traders. Uh, I think still morning or still afternoon in US area, and time now is 12:48 p.m. New York time. My local time is 12:48 a.m. in the morning. So we are now short sell the market on the reversal of the trend. So we can see that the market have made some trend and now try to make a pullback towards the VWAP price level. And this moment we hope that we can get a good reversal pattern. So I hope it will be a trend reversal to the lower side. Okay, seems like we are in the good position. A small profit, about 20 plus or 18. We can exit, but the target is the VWAP line. So this might take a few minutes. I believe in 30 minutes time. If the direction is correct, then we might go towards this VWAP price level. In the case the price didn't go towards the direction, so we might had to make some losses on the trade and might exit at around 10 for 85 somewhere here at this green line. So based from the current situation, looks good, and I will keep posted. Will keep recorded this live video, and let's hope things will go smoothly to the downside. So our entry is 1076. This red line over here, 1076.4, and hopefully to get a 26 price movement, because at this moment the range for the VWAP price level is 1059. Is it possible? No, I think should be around 15 to 12. So I'm targeting 12. So let's say we are targeting 12. So the exit will be at 1076 and minus 12 should be 1064. So 1064 is the target TP for our entry here. So 1064. So I've queued the position. Alright, so somewhere there, so in between the VWAP and the current price, so in between when the VWAP moving, maybe for the next 20 minutes, so should be reached at this intersection, could be. So profit now is around 33 US dollar, 32 US dollar. So let's gain some more, and maybe we'll execute immediate exit any moment once the price maybe to reach 60 or 80 US dollar in profit. So now it's 42, keep increasing, looks good. And yeah, okay, so I'll pause first, and the target is still far away, and so everything will be fine. Alright traders, there's a sudden spike to the downside at this moment. You can see clearly from my platform, trading platform here. Then the profit keep increasing to 41, and the lowest is around 1071, which should be around 50 US dollar in profit. So it was a good one. So we are reaching 54, 53. Keep counting. The profit keep on moving towards the direction. So hopefully we can earn towards this, or maybe to escape will be a good idea. Alright, so let's hope. Maybe I will exit one, and because there's two position here, we exit one first. Okay, let's buy one. Okay, good. Alright, we exit one, and let's change the TP for this one to become 1 as well, 64. So okay, now the other one is so we cancel the stop loss. So let it open, and the position, the one position is around 32 US dollar. So we're targeting for this second trade or the other trade to get around 50, should be a good one. So maybe not 50, because the target is 12, should be around 60 or 50 plus. Yes. I think 50 should be a good one. So let's target 50 US dollar for this one trade, or in normal standard account should be around 500 US dollar for the normal standard mini account. Alright, so from the chart as well, keep promising, so we can keep continuing this, because until I've seen the blue candle like this one, until I see this blue candle, then I can say that it's a time to exit the market. But for now, we still haven't seen any blue candle. Only, yeah, just now we have to protect the profit. So okay, immediate exit will be justified, and at least we secure some, because that's the reason why we enter with a 2 lot position size. Okay, so alright, for this one, we just exit one. We'll count back later on how much the profit is. Okay, okay, while waiting this candle to be returned red, and we'll pause for a while and resume later on. Alright, traders, seems the situation prevail for our side, and it seems looks very great at this moment. We are reaching $40 in profit for one micro account, one lot contract size of micro account. So for standard normal mini account, you will receive around $400 US, so it should be a quick one. So with just a small index like a Russell. Okay, so I believe I will exit the market immediately. So I will go flat because I'm satisfied with the current situation, which is 47.50. So we exit at 1067.20. So the entry is 76, so should be around 9 points for this second trade. So I will total up the profit or the points we have. Okay, now it start move towards the our target, so it was a good one. So I managed to capitalize, but I didn't exit live. I exit too early because I don't know, it's quite common, because as a traders we always have this feeling just to protect whatever we can, and also when we are losing side we always keep it losing. So that's one of the problem of the traders, and for us, for me, and during trading an index. So as long you making some money, so you just exit it. So for today we have a good so let's compile for a while. So overall, for today we have a total of 171 US dollar in profit. So you can see, yep, here over here 171. So the last call is entry at 76. Okay, this is okay. Oh, all right. It's to show over here. Maybe not in the screen. 1076.40. The first exit is 1069. Should be around 7 ticks. Sorry, 7 points. Then should be 70 ticks. So 7 points, and the second one is 9 points. So 16 points. Overall, it's 16 points. So we can say that most of the profit for today came from this trade on the reversal pattern. Alright, so this is the reversal pattern I mentioned. Okay, now we just seen this blue blue candle here. That means now they will enter to the bullish movement. So we need to find a bullish signal for this trade, for this next trade. Okay, I think that's all for today. So for this trade, 16 points should be around 160 ticks. So it was a perfect move, and I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.